Sanibona bafethu uvande lo amathimi amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So ngizoqala ngeindaba ke bafethu siyibonile namhlanje. Remember ke I spoke about uThapelo Maseko with Mamelodi Sundowns umjida ke sebemhambisile bamisa kwi-loan kwi-club iclub yakwe Cyprus. Umjida uyodlalela iclub ekuthiwa iClub AL Limassol. Angikwazi ukulipronounce kahle leli gama, wangitshela ama comments ukuthi lipronounce kanjani, but ke umjida uyojoina le club on a loan deal kuyoze kuphele isizini. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu sengakhuluma ngazo ustriker seOrlando Pirates okubani okusifiso luthulu umjida kuthiwa uzospenda the rest of the season with iMagesi FC on loan. Njani nimbona ke bafethu umjida ubonakalile etrainer nayo iMagesi FC. Omunye wabadlali ongenzeka umjida ahambe ayojoina iMagesi okubani okusiyabonga Ndlozi odlaleli Orlando Pirates. Umjida ngempela indaba ngempela ziyamkhomba naye ukuthi uzomjoina uSifiso Luthuli bayodlala lapha kweMagesi bathola ama minutes baloniwe nje. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs isayine umdlalo odlala esiswini bafethu okuxhosa amanyana. Lo mjida lebamsayine on a loan from iCape Town City. Umjida uzojoina nje iKaizer Chiefs on a 6 months loan. Umjida usana 20 years old waspenda last season with iteam yase USA iFC Cincinnati. So uzojoina iKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs yamdinga kumdlalo odlala esiswini okwamanje because basathana kulahlekelwa nje umdlalo onjengo Oaks. So a player odlala esiswini angaba umdlalo omnandi kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs, but ke umjida uneminyaka ewu20. Ingabe iKaizer Chiefs izokwazi nokuthi imnikeze lo mfana omncane ithuba lokuthi adlale, but ke umdlali oloniwe from iCape Town City, I think iKaizer Chiefs ibone something kulo mdlalo. So I think bayazi ukuthi bazomenzana umjida. Let's hope bazokwazi bamsebenzise adlale kahle kulesa sisu seKaizer Chiefs. Maybe umjida bazoyenza ibe permanent imove yakhe kwiKaizer Chiefs asasi, but ke sobona izinto zinjani. Ngangitshela wena izumlandeli weKaizer Chiefs, how do you feel regarding this move that was made by iKaizer Chiefs? Kwezinye izindaba futhi ngisakuyona nje iKaizer Chiefs kuthiwa ke iKaizer Chiefs isilone umdlalo wabo odlala kwiDDC iKaizer Chiefs okubani okunkosana Mbutho. Lo mjida ukwazi ukuthi ayisize iKaizer Chiefs eyintwana ukuthi bawine isicoco last season, but yeah right now iKaizer Chiefs they are looking to loan out most of their talent asuka ku-NFD bayawalona kuma club ahlukahlukene. Le club ke lebafethu yabamlone kuyona umjida idlala ku-NFD okuyiLeicester City. Umjida uzothola ama minutes khona mhlambe akhule noKhakai aqine umjida masiyabuya kwi-top team ku-first team yeKaizer Chiefs. Let's hope iKaizer Chiefs inayo iplan regarding these youngsters. Ingaloke ibalona out, kumele yenze iplan, kumele yenze icebo khona bezokwazi ukuthi bawathola ama minutes abajida bakwazi ukuthi bayisize i-team. Yabo bengaloku bethenga njalo kumele bakhiqize italente labo, balidlalise italente labo likwazi ukuthi libasize. Yabo kwezinye izindaba bafethu uThembi Nkosi Lodge bafethu kubukeke ngakuthi iWydad Casablanca ifuna okumdayisa. Yabo kuthiwa nje ithole ioffer eqhamuka kweclub ekuthiwa yini Al Ittihad. Le club le yaseLibya ke bafethu iclub le enemali eningi indlela eyisimanga. Yabo so they can sign any player abamfunayo le club le njengoba kuyiclub yaseLibya. So kuzoba kuyona ukuthi iWydad Casablanca iyafuna yini ukumdedela. Remember ke iWydad Casablanca baningi abadlali sibasayinile. Yabo abadlali abaningi abaqhamuka le Europe, abo Amrabat yakwazi ukubasayina, abo Ziyech yakwazi ukubasayina. Yabo so labadlali laba nje abe equality nje eplayer like uThembi Nkosi Lodge basengamdayisa uma kuqhamuka ioffer enhle kakhulu eqhamuka kwiclub njenge Al Ittihad. Yabo ngizwile ukuthi iAl Ittihad ikhona vele kuChampions League. So vele yena uThembi Nkosi Lodge angajabula kakhulu ukuthola iclub edlala kwiChampions League because umjida angafuna ukuqhubeka with italent leli analo. Ingabe ke iWydad Casablanca izovuma yena ukumdayisa uThembi Nkosi Lodge asazi, but ke imali imevuma basengamdayisa because kwezinye indaba bakwazile ukuthi bamdayise ubani na umdlali waseBurkina Faso okuAziz Ki. Remember uAziz Ki wayelinked with iclub iOrlando Pirates, but ke wagcina end up kwiWydad Casablanca. Bakwazile ukuthi bamdayise ke umjida ayojoina yona iAl Ittihad. iAl Ittihad ifuna another player futhi okubani okuThembi Nkosi Lodge. Singesazi ke bafethu lo mdlali lo uAziz Ki befuna uRolando Mkwena le kuMC Alger, but ke babona kungcono ukuthi bamdayisele kwiAl Ittihad ngemali engango$400,000. Yabo imali eningi kakhulu leyo. Let's hope umjida uzokwazi impress lapha awathola ama minutes abe i-first team player because kwiWydad Casablanca bengayona i-first team player beqhamuka kakhulu ebenchini. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu ngisakhona nje la eSouth Africa, iRichards Bay FC isi-announce umdlalo omusha bafethu uSithembela Sigagana. uSithembela Sigagana bafethu the former uSuthu player ozojoyina iRichards Bay FC. Kwezinye izindaba futhi ngisakuyona nje iRichards Bay. iRichards Bay i-announce another player oqhamuka le eSwatini obedlalela iclub ekuthiwa iNtsingizini Hotspurs. Yabo umjita-ke wase-Uganda. Njoba nje i-striker oyi-forward lethe ubuzokwazi ukuthi alethe iquality yakhe, but-ke ubeqhamuka kwiclub yaseSwatini. Singisazi ukuthi ngabe eSwatini banabo abadlali abangakwazi ukuthi bafike la ku-Betway Premiership ba-impress. Let's hope umjita uzokwazi ukuthi ayi-impress amathimu amaningi akwazi ukuthi amsayine. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu uSteve Barker usekwazile ukuthi amsayine uIsmail Tor. Namhlanje bam-announcele umjita as their new centre back. Umjita uzoba idefender elisha leSimba SC. Yabo indaba ezimnandi kakhulu bafethu lezi. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iCape Town City FC i-announcele namhlanje ama-arrivals abanikeza iy'namba zabo bazoyiqoka. So uZajmovic uzogqoka unumber 7 kwiCape Town City FC, mase kuthi-ke uMiguel Team agqoke unumber 5. Ngiyazi awugqoke-ke the legendary number 4 liyathanda ukuyigqoka, uzogqoka unumber 5 kwi-Cape Town City FC. Let's hope abajita bazokwazi ukuthi bayisize iCity isuke le ezansi ikhuphuke ibuyele kwi-Betway Premiership, because these are quality players. Banayo iquality. Let's hope leyo quality izokwazi ukuthi impress, ikwazi ukuthi idlale kahle babuye kwi-Betway. Siyawadinga ama-team ane-quality kwi-Betway. Siyawadinga ama-team ane-quality. Kwezinye izindaba namhlanje ade kudlala iBetway Premiership libuyile bafethu ibhola. Kaizer Chiefs itholile u3 points yamova ku number 3. Namhlanje ade bedlala against iGolden Arrows. iGolden Arrows ade idlale away. I spoke about this game yesterday. Ngasho ukuthi kuzobe kuyi-game interesting kakhulu. iKaizer Chiefs masisebenzise amathuba ayo izokwazi ukuthi iwine le game le. Bakwazile ukuthi basebenzise amathuba. Sambona umfana omncane uEden McCarthy ethola igoli elinikeza iKaizer Chiefs u3 points. Kwenye amagame ade idlalwa namhlanje okusikhukhune United ade sibhekene nani na, ade sibhekene neSteelers. iSteelers ade idlala away. Tsegofaso Mabasa, the former Orlando Pirates player, ukwazi ukuthi alithole igoli namhlanje on his debut. Uthole igoli namhlanje on his debut. Siyajabulisa kakhulu kule indaba lezi bafethu, because a striker like uTsegofaso Mabasa abantu abaningi bebemwrite off kakhulu, but-ke it looks like uKevin Hunt uyakwazi ukuthi umjita uzomsebenzisa kanjani. Let's hope ucoach Orlando Pirates uyambukela umjita njengoba edlala right now uTsegofaso Mabasa, because mwasumbheke umjita udinga a typical coach ozom-understand. Yabo udinga i-game plan ezom-understand, because asisona le striker lesi sikwazi ukudropa deep. Yabo ule striker lesi sihlala kakhulu phambili. Wena mumfakelile nje ibhola uzokunikeza into oyifunayo. So umjita ukwazile ukuthi akora namhlanje ayisize iSteelers ithole 3 points. I'm sure ama-owners iSteelers are happy right now. I'm sure badrafta ama-contracts ukuthi umjita mhlawumbe bamgcine, yabo, for a long time kwiStellenbosch, because he is a good striker that can score goals.